Welcome to Buy Sell Vouchers. In this video, we will guide you on how to redeem a PlayStation gift card. Once you have successfully purchased a PlayStation gift card from Buy Sell Vouchers, simply copy your voucher code provided by a Buy Sell Vouchers seller. Now go back to the PlayStation site. Click on the account icon located at the top right corner. Here you will see the Redeem Code option. Click on it. The voucher box will be indicated. Paste your product voucher code here. Once entered, click on Continue. The confirmation page will be displayed. If everything is confirmed, then click on Confirm Redeem Code. Congratulations! You have successfully redeemed your gift card in your account through Buy Sell Vouchers. Thank you for choosing Buy Sell Vouchers.